Oh, crap. Oh, no. No! That's not good. That's not good at all. Well, I finally broke my SCX24, snapped the axle shaft. This is the second time I did it, so obviously it is time to upgrade. Let's go. These are the Meus Racing Isokinetic 3-section front and rear axles. Let's get them in. So these should have a significantly better turning radius. They have a 52-degree turning radius, which is much better than my previous axles. Working on these things sometimes sucks compared to the bigger vehicles. So I think these previous axles were a little bit heavier. They are like made out of pretty much solid brass, but again, the turning radius isn't good, and obviously they're not strong. So here we have the new axle. The thing looks great. Can definitely tell it has a really good turning radius. Here's it compared to the old axle. Honestly, the weight is really close to the same. I wonder how much they weigh. I wish I had a scale. But as you can see, the front hubs, or the hubs I should say, are larger and a little bit heavier on the Meus axles, so they're going to get some weight out to the sides a little bit. These axles are actually 5 millimeters wider than my previous axles, and opening up the pumpkin, you can see the gears inside, the worm gears. They come pre-greased. They look like they're going to hold up pretty well, so we'll really see what happens. Let's get them in. So these came with optional Underdrive gears that I obviously had to install, so those are going in the rear. Wow, okay. Yeah, very nice. Look at that. These actually turn further than I thought they would. Yeah. Wow, yeah. Huge improvement. See how it does slow. Wow, yeah, smooth, super smooth. We got to get this back together. There's also no clearance issues whatsoever, which I'm really surprised about. So yeah, let's get this outside and actually test it. So it literally just rained. This is going to be really tricky. Yeah, I don't have a lot of traction at all, but this is where I dropped it before and broke the axle. So let's see if we can get up and over. It's turning better. I wasn't able to do this before. Still tricky. Oh, it's just too wet right now. The tires are wet. Alright, there it goes. Alright, take two. This is really difficult with everything being wet, so I'll do the best I can. And yeah, I just don't have traction. This would be different on a dry day for sure. Come on. Oh. Alright, let's see if I can. Oh, back wheel fell off. Can we save it? Yeah, everything is so slippery today. Come on. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, wow. All right, let's go. Very tricky. Am I gonna fall for a third time? Not yet. Alright, slow and steady. Going down is actually a little bit smoother with these axles as well. Might be the gearing. Oh, I'm slipping. Slipping. Please don't fall. Alright. Now I might fall on the other side. Wow, these steering angles are great. Look at that. Yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do this with the old axles. For sure. Alright. Cool. So it can crawl. This honestly wouldn't be a good video unless I jumped something. Like, we need some type of air. So, there we go. All over this weight. Man, these little things are fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe!